Howdy. This is a video response for Tony. Tony gave me a comment and caused me a lot to gave me a lot to think about. What Tony said was that he had 50 years in the furniture business and he never called a featherboard a fingerboard, nor had he ever heard that term. And his father, 95 years old, who was a clockmaker, had never heard that term either. Now, it's been a while since I made that video, so I had to do some research, and I couldn't find anything on the internet to support my use of the term as a fingerboard. However, I found the book that I had used when making that video, and that was Table Saws, or Success with Table Saws by Michael Burton. This book is made in the UK. He is an accomplished woodworker. Anyways, on page whatever this is, he said fingerboards, and I can't read that backwards, but you get the picture. He both calls them featherboards and fingerboards in this book. Perhaps it's a term that's used in England, or that it was used in England, and now with the advent of modern communications has fallen away, where featherboard has taken over. For what it's worth, I will be using featherboards exclusively from now on as the term for it, because I do see it as much more widespread and accepted. And yes, there are other uses for fingerboards, such as little skateboards. I used to make those back in metal shop in 7th grade, as well as they come in wood, tech deck. Anyways, I'm rambling now. Tony, you're absolutely right. It's not really a fingerboard, and it's a featherboard. Alright. That's it. Bye.